Out the Max EverStart, which is your Walmart brand, has a 5-year warranty plan. 3 years and it fails, free replacement. After that, it's a 2-year prorate on down to nothing. So unfortunately, in this case, we are 4 months. We are 4 months past the 3-year free replacement. When you know it, huh? The other EverStart that we have, and unfortunately, as you can see, this hat doesn't have top posts, so I can't use it in the Mustangs. It's actually, I think, a little tall. So this has got front, and of course, that's a cheaper EverStart. It's got a 2-year free replacement instead of the Max. Has a 3-year. Okay. Now to give it a bath. Well, looks like she gave it a quick bath, huh?
Got a serious pull to the left.
Yeah.
Serious.
Okay.
When I put my foot on the brake, it pulls hard to the left. Steering seems to be pretty tight.
Okay.
Steering wheel, on the other hand, seems to be pretty loose.
Okay.
And it has a glide to the right, but it's got a serious pull to the left. I mean, serious.
Well, what? When you put your brakes on?
And if I don't.
What do you mean if you don't?
If I let go of the wheel,
yeah,
it glides
okay.
here seriously.
Well, okay, that's.
If I hit the brakes,
yeah,
it really pulls over there, and I have to pull the wheel the other way to get it to go back where I want it.
Well, of course, the brakes have been set up for so long, so that's probably that problem. But like I said, with the new tie rod or the new ball joint, that's going to make a big difference. So that'll get corrected when he aligns it.
Well, that's what I'm saying. When it aligns it, it should be better,
Yeah.
I would hope.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's just you need to get it in there because
I feel a little bit of vibration in the wheel, but not a lot.
Yeah.
I feel a little bit of vibration in the pedal, but not a lot.
Okay, yeah. A little bit of rise. So hopefully we can catch that on time.
What concerns me more, like I said, is the serious pull.
Yeah.
But I know that once he actually aligns it, that should go away.
Yeah.
I stopped by and got a gas, and Mike saw that I had it out there, and he come out and he walks all around it.
Who did?
Mike.
Mike who?
Mike. Charlene's Mike.
Oh.
He says, oh.
Where was he?
At work.
Oh, at 7-Eleven? Okay. Okay. Okay.
I would drive this. I said, yeah, no, you won't.
Yeah. Okay, good. Well, we got the, got the batteries.
Red showing through here. Did I lose something here? A piece of rubber or something?
It might have got jolted when you put it up on the ramp, up on the truck. So, but that's just, you know, it's.
This side is almost the same way.
Maybe plastic shrunk or something. Well, it is a plastic paint, so the paint might have shrunk a little bit, but it's nothing. Still gonna be hit and touched up again anyway. So anyway, well, it's good as long as it ran good.
It runs okay. Even that antifreeze smell goes away after a while.
It'll take a while for those the brakes to get
He asked me how come my brake
cleaned
pads
up.
were red. What was wrong with my car? I said it's supposed to be that way, Mike. So that was done on purpose, dude.
Okay, well that's good. All right, there we go. Good result.
Drive it if you want to see what I'm talking about.
Well, no, after you get it aligned, we'll worry about if there's anything else. So, other than that, it's good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, share. Catch you on the next. Mustang